Top of the dome, nigga. Low key #1. Holla at the best when you're ready. Ain't on my motherfucking level. See, I do this. This my motherfucking grind. Hustle every day of the week. I'm out here for mad. Smoking some weed, drinking on the drink. Got a box of cigarettes just to get my ass to think. See, now I'm talking real shit. Nigga, you's a dumb bitch. Talking all this bullshit and you left evidence. You's a fucking lame nigga. You's a fucking boy, nigga. I don't give a fuck. I'm out here to destroy niggas. Why they talking pistols? They ain't pop the goddamn thing. Stab them in their motherfucking spleen. Cut off their brain. I don't give a fuck. I'm going loony in their head and I'ma keep this shit going to the beat. Fucking dead. And like I said, bitch, this a fucking freestyle. See, if you didn't know, #1, now you know now. Motherfuckers, I can smile and still get down. Motherfuckers talking shit, I own the crown. Yeah, motherfuckers on my dick now, cause they say I'm doing big things, getting rich now. Got a bad bitch, she's a bad bitch, get down. And she get them other bitches get low to the ground. While I'm doing my thing, I'ma live my fucking dream. I'ma get it in every day, that's what I fucking said. That's what I fucking mean. I don't need a team, but Major Rock Stars, my motherfucking company. Shout out to my nigga CB, that's the manager. We gon' get it in, niggas come on and fuck with us. Hope she recording this shit, then she push the play button. Shit, I don't even know, but I'ma keep going in. I'ma get it in, motherfuckers. Like I said, I'm in it to win. Motherfuckers never knew I really got it in, and these motherfuckers know I'm a motherfucking 10. What the fuck is you doing? Is you fucking tweaking, girl? Got me looking at your fingers, but you still my world, my everything, my baby queen. Treat her ass like a queen. Now she gon' help me make a motherfucking team. Show that she know I'm a winner. That's why for 5 years she been cooking me dinner. Wanna have my kids? We probably get married. I don't even know shit. I'm trying to get buried in the fucking crown ass fucking coffin when I fucking die. That means I wanna live before I fucking die. Wanna see a lot of things, wanna couple lot of dreams, and I'ma keep it going. Damn, I'm losing breath, but I'ma keep going. Like I said, I'm #1, bitch. Low key, if you didn't know, now you know then. Now I don't give a fuck. You understand what I'm saying? Slap a bitch up in the butt. She understand what I'm saying. You want me to move over? She think she want me to dance, wanna do my Dougie, but nah, I ain't know that though. I don't like to dance, but really when I'm chillin', then I'm feeling with my fans, and I'ma live it up. Still going to the beat, motherfuckers wildin', really not thinking of me, but I'm climbing up. Like I said, I'm #1, bitch. You ain't no turn the motherfucking camera switch. Like I said, I'm going to the beat, go off. Even my girl hands getting tired from the flow, cause I can go from the door and up. Bring the camera up. We ain't shooting videos, girl. Wake the fuck up. Broken on that good shit. Damn, this a long beat. I ain't even hit the square. Please, excuse me. Whew. Okay, yeah, I'm back, gotta start it right. Man, I kinda fucked up, but I'ma get this shit tight. I don't need the fucking bite. Yeah, you hear my fucking words. Yeah, you hear my fucking words. Kinda twisted like motherfucking birds and the flag in the sky. Gotta make it to the top, bitch. Yeah, I know I'm hot, but I'ma keep going though. These motherfuckers showing what I do. I get loose in the fucking booth. Why they talking all this bullshit? They ain't even know shit. Got a bad bitch and she into like freaky shit. I don't give a fuck, but I'ma keep going. Show you why I'm #1. Nigga straight destroying shit that I knew already. Now you know that they see in my vision. Now they see they wanna get close, huh? Wanna hold my hand now, wanna give me hand down. Now they lift their hand out, saying where they cash out. Say I'm thinking about them. bankrolls, you don't get it though. Off the top of the dome, damn, I got a sick flow. When I'm in the zone, can't nobody stop me. I'ma get it motherfucking into the drop beat. And motherfuckers talking it. Then it's still Long Beach. I'ma keep going for the song and the song beats. Like I said, I'm number one. If you can do better shit, show me your guns. And now I ain't popping out. Niggas talking rough. See, I keep it clean up and get my hands off the ground. And damn, what the fuck, man? Kinda crazy. Trying to get this shit together. Trying to get my words right. But see, I'm still in it. How many other motherfuckers can do this finish? See, I'm getting in. Now you know who I be. Low key, motherfucker made it out the streets. Yeah, me, got my man right. Now I'm kinda wise, huh? Got the mic, got a couple flags on buzzing. In my ear, talking shit. Man, it just keep me better. Love all my haters, man. Gon' respect the cheddar, though. Motherfuckers, low key.